everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I have China mail. So it's been a while since I've had China mail, but then on August 29th, I don't know, the bug hit me. That's when I bought my scratch art. That's when I bought this. There's 2 more packages to come. You know what I think it was? I think it's because I got an extra, little bit of extra money, and I was like, what am I gonna do with this? Oh my gosh, AliExpress. So this piece is from Dispaint 5D Painting Store. I'm putting the link to this piece down below. Check them out depending on what's in this box and how this video ends. So maybe not turn it off right now and go check it out, but maybe wait to see if it's worth it. So the box came pretty decent. There's a bend, but I mean, come on, you're coming from China. You probably got thrown on a boat, thrown on a plane, thrown in a truck. Yeah. So we will see what happens. So this was purchased on August 29th. I received it today, September 19th. So that's 19, 20, 21, 22 days. It's right in that threshold of that, 20 to 21, 22 days. So not knocking it down. It is taped so that if the box did bend, it wouldn't break. Inside, it's a foam roller. And you've got your pretty decent, it's got some, bent tweezers, a thing of wax. I don't even know why. They put 3 baggies in here. Single placer and a 3 placer. It's been so long since I've had China mail like this. I didn't know what to expect. So this piece, I'm not a big fan of when it comes like this. Okay. It came with an inventory sheet, which is nice. What I usually do is cut it up and run it through my sticker maker so I can put it on my Harbor Freight containers. There's 37 colors, and it has a quality control check. And it's a 40 by 50, and this is what it is. So this has been on my wish list for probably right after I learned to diamond paint. Okay, it's got the little clear rubber bands. Oops, which I'm not a huge fan of, but what you gonna do, right? I don't think I'd want to put these rubber bands on. Can you imagine this person's hands trying to put these on? Okay, now when it's rolled this tightly, something that's worked for me is just to kind of push it so that it gently untwist from the what am I trying to say, foam roller, right? So it kind of makes a big twist, and it just kind of gives it a little bit of time to breathe. Right? On guard. Yeah. Side note, these are great if you have arthritis and you don't have money for a fancy diamond painting pen. You can actually stick your pen up in it. I'm not going to push it all the way up. And then you can cut it, and it feels really good on your hand. And then I don't push it all the way up because then you have a little bit of give for if you press hard. It's just, a little what you're gonna do kind of thing. Side note. All right, so it does not have a clear cover. This means it is a 2-sided or double-sided tape. It is round. I didn't realize I had purchased round. Nope. It says full square / round. Yeah, I guess I did purchase round. All right. So we are going to try get this to lay down a little bit. So when you unpeel it and then put it back down, it'll take that roll right out of your canvas. Like so. And don't worry, I'll pull it all back so we can see it in just a minute. Just want to get the roll out. I am seeing that I will need to use a light pad for this. I mean, the symbols are dark. They're clear, but they have what you call training wheels or a dummy circle, or I don't know what else people call them, which then makes it really hard to see the symbol as clearly. So they also have a thumbnail and your DMC on the side. In the back you can see it's really nice where it doesn't have any buckles or puckers. I'm going to go ahead and measure before I pull everything up so I can see through. It is 36, see, 39 centimeters by 49.5. So it's within that 1 centimeter grace that they ask you. So now let's see what the image looks like. Isn't that gorgeous? I loved the colors. That's why I wanted to get this. Just a second. Let me angle it so my light's not glaring on it. And you can see. Now the colors will be different once you place everything. But I just thought that that was going to be beautiful. I think this is a great size for it. I love, my favorite size is a 40 by 50, so I'm going to love doing this one. Let me show you the symbols up close. So these are the symbols. You can see there's circles around them. So they are clear, but they're very dark. So I will be needing to use a light pen. All right, now I will do inventory off screen and let you know and come back if the inventory doesn't work out. But I wanted to show these beautiful colors. And there's not a lot, there's no 310s in this. So it's 823 is the big color. But these are just gorgeous. Just the colors of the rainbow, right? We've got some 939s. Some greens. A couple reds and pinks. Yellows. Yeah, so I think that's an amazing color palette right there. And I'm looking so forward, guys, to doing this and doing it with you and doing many whip and chats in the future around this gorgeous succulent flower. And I can't wait to see what happens. So thank you so much. Again, this is Dispaint. It was a 40 by 50 centimeters. I purchased it for $12.06. And I got it in a round, and I will put the link down below. And it took, what did I say, 19, 20, 22 days to get to me. So there you go. If there will be a clip after this if something happened and there was something missing in the inventory. Otherwise, you guys be blessed. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.